Improving your IELTS reading skills requires practice, strategy, and familiarity with the test format. Here are some tips to help you enhance your reading skills. Understand the test format. Familiarize yourself with the format of the IELTS reading test. Understand the types of questions asked and the instructions provided for each section. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary will help you comprehend the passages more easily. Make a habit of learning new words regularly and practice using them in context. Practice regularly. Practice reading different types of texts, such as articles, essays, and academic papers, to improve your reading speed and comprehension. Use IELTS practice materials to simulate the test environment. Develop skimming and scanning techniques. Skimming involves quickly reading through the passage to get a general idea of the content, while scanning involves searching for specific information. Practice these techniques to locate relevant information efficiently. Identify key information. Train yourself to identify key information in the passages, such as main ideas, supporting details, and opinions. This will help you answer the questions more accurately. Practice time management. Manage your time effectively during the test. Allocate a specific amount of time to each passage and question, and try to stick to it to ensure you have enough time to complete the entire test. Read actively. Engage with the text actively by making notes, highlighting important points, and summarizing key ideas. This will help improve your understanding and retention of the material. Focus on question types. Pay attention to the different question types in the IELTS reading test, such as multiple choice, true/false/not given, matching headings, and sentence completion. Understand the specific requirements of each question type and practice accordingly. Review mistakes. After completing practice tests, review your mistakes carefully to understand why you got certain questions wrong. Identify any patterns or areas of weakness and focus on improving them. Seek feedback. If possible, seek feedback from a teacher, tutor, or study partner on your reading skills. They can provide valuable insights and suggestions for improvement. By implementing these strategies and dedicating regular time to practice, you can improve your IELTS reading skills and increase your chances of achieving a high score.